Welcome to this week's episode. If you've been watching before, you know the usual deal. A few customer cars at the start, a couple of new products, a little bit of a feature on a truck we've been working on this week for one of our customers. And then I went up to a little Mopar show, so there's a few American Mopars and some local Aussie stuff. You can see there we've been polishing the 37 truck. Like everyone on YouTube says, if you like what we're doing, hit subscribe, check it out, enjoy the episode. Right, so in the background here you can see John's 1950 Ford truck. He's had the thing for, well, we're not sure exactly, but 15 odd years. Craig painted the flames on it like 15 years ago. It's a pretty basic sort of truck, you know, Holden front end. I think it's a 9-inch on leaf sprung rear. The motor is an ED Falcon 92-93 model. Fuel injected, 4-speed auto, still running all the injection and everything like that. Even used the wiring harness. A guy called Darren did most of that work. Then John bought it, he's changed the wheels, a few other bits and pieces. We've got it just to do a few odd jobs for Rego. There was a couple of oil leaks and the exhaust was leaking, and John's just too busy, so he said, hey, can you get this thing Rego'd? So we've done a few jobs. We'll take it over tomorrow to get it inspected. I'm pretty sure it'll pass. If anything, there might be a couple of little jobs. Then it'll be back on the road. It's done nearly 60,000 Ks, so it's showing its age a little bit here and there. But John loves it, and it's on the road.